Ts'eqw7íqw, Ts'wan. A long time ago, sTs'eqw7íqw made Ts'wan by using spreader sticks. Ts'eqw. My mother taught me how to cut that way. She always made Ts'wan using Ts'eqw. When Ts'wan is made using Ts'eqw, none of the fish is wasted. When we make Ts'wan, we cut down from the head area on one side of the backbone all the way down to the belly. We flip the fish, then cut down on the other side of the backbone to the tail. We cut right down to the belly. My mother never did cut pieces of flesh off the fish. The backbone is still attached to the tail. This process is called sTs'wan. We make sure to cut right down to the skin on each cut. This prevents flies from laying eggs between the flesh and the skin. Sometimes I cut my Ts'wan right down the river when I am fishing alone. I like to cut Ts'wan the way my mother did in memory of her hard work and teachings. My son Dusty knows how to sTs'wan. He has always helped me down the river. My children all know how to sTs'wan using Ts'eqw. When they were younger, they watched how it was done, then they learnt by doing. Ts'eqw7íqw knows how to sTs'wan. She is cutting the head off so she can sTs'wan. She will use Ts'eqw now. She is stretching out the Ts'wan. This helps the skin stretch. She is using Ts'eqw. She is going to be salting her fish. This helps preserve the fish and adds flavor. Salt is a natural preservative. She is showing her Ts'wan. These are the first ones she made. She gifted her first Ts'wan and the first fish that she caught to her kukwa. Ts'eqw7íqw also knows how to sTs'wan. He made his first Ts'wan and gifted them to his kukwa. She was very proud of her grandchildren. I am also proud of them. My mom was happy to know that my children could sTs'wan, and she was happy to know that they knew how to make Ts'wan. We all love to sTs'wan. sTs'eqw7íqw are famous for their Ts'wan.